Unit 1, Personal Information and Family. Page 2, Vocabulary Preview. Listen and practice the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Page 2, Vocabulary Preview. Listen and practice the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Page 3, Vocabulary Preview. Listen and practice the words.
Name, first name, last name, address, apartment number, city, state, zip code, telephone number, cell phone number, email address, social security number.
Page 4. Hello, my name is... Listen to the model.
Hello, my name is Hung Tran.
Hi, I'm Gloria Hernandez. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Page 6. How do you spell it? Listen to the model.
What's your last name?
Sanchez.
How do you spell it?
Sanchez.
Page 6. Listening. Listen and circle. 1,
What's your last name? Fawn. How do you spell it? Phan.
2,
What's your last name? Black. How do you spell it? B-L-A-C-K.
3,
What's your last name?
Clayton.
How do you spell it?
C-L-A-Y-T-O-N.
4,
What's your last name?
Green.
How do you spell it?
Green.
5,
What's your last name?
Kramer.
How do you spell it?
Kramer.
6,
What's your last name?
Sanchez.
How do you spell it?
Sanchez. C-H-E-Z.
Page 8, numbers 0 through 10. Listen and practice the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Page 8. What's your telephone number? Listen to the model.
What's your telephone number?
862-9104.
Is that 862-9104?
Yes, that's correct.
Page 9. Listening. Listen and circle. 1,
What's your telephone number?
249-1115.
Is that 249-1115?
Yes, that's correct.
2,
What's your telephone number?
463-9221.
Is that 463-9221?
Yes, that's correct.
3,
What's your telephone number?
948-6137.
Is that 948-6137?
Yes, that's correct. 4,
What's your telephone number?
671-2098.
Is that 671-2098?
Yes, that's correct.
5,
What's your telephone number?
728-0303.
Is that 728-0303?
Yes, that's correct.
6,
What's your telephone number?
837-1284.
Is that 837-1284?
Yes, that's correct.
Page 10. What's your address? Listen to the first model.
What's your address?
8 Center Street.
8 Center Street?
Yes, that's right. Do exercises 1 through 3. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1,
What's your address?
4 Main Street.
4 Main Street?
Yes, that's right.
2,
What's your address?
10 Pond Road.
10 Pond Road?
Yes, that's right.
3,
What's your address?
8 Central Avenue.
8 Central Avenue?
Yes, that's right.
listen to the second model.
My apartment number is 8D.
Did you say 8G?
No, 8D.
Do exercises 1 through 5. You will hear the correct line after you speak. You begin. 1,
My apartment number is 2A.
Did you say 2H?
No, 2A.
2,
My apartment number is 7C.
Did you say 7E?
No, 7C.
3,
My apartment number is 3D.
Did you say 3B?
No, 3D.
4,
My apartment number is 6K.
Did you say 6J?
No, 6K.
5,
My apartment number is 4M.
Did you say 4N?
No, 4M.
Page 11. Pronunciation. Practice the apartment numbers.
1A, 1H, 3B, 3D, 8M, 8N, 5P, 5B, 2D, 2T, 9C, 9G, 4J, 4A.
Page 11. Listening. Circle the apartment number you hear. 1,
What's your apartment number?
6D.
6D?
Yes, that's right.
2,
What's your apartment number?
9J.
9J?
Yes, that's right.
3,
What's your apartment number?
1E.
Did you say 1E?
Yes, that's right.
4,
What's your apartment number?
10K.
Did you say 10K?
Yes, that's correct.
5,
What's your apartment number?
2D.
2D?
Yes.
6,
What's your apartment number?
8C.
8C?
Yes, that's right.
7,
What's your apartment number?
3E.
Did you say 3E?
Yes,
That's right. Page 12. This is my wife. Listen to the first model.
This is my wife.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Listen to the second model.
This is my husband.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do exercises 1 through 8. You will hear the correct line after you speak. You begin. 1.
This is my mother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
2.
This is my father.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
3.
This is my daughter.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
4.
This is my son.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
5.
This is my sister.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
6.
This is my brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
7.
This is my grandmother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
8.
This is my grandfather.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Page 14. Numbers. How old? Listen to the first model.
Who is this?
This is my daughter.
How old is she?
She's 5 years old.
Listen to the second model.
Who is this?
This is my son.
How old is he?
He's 10 years old.
Do exercises 1 through 4. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Who is this?
This is my sister.
How old is she?
She's 8 years old.
2.
Who is this?
This is my brother.
How old is he?
He's 9 years old.
3.
Who is this?
This is my son.
How old is he?
He's 6 years old.
4.
Who is this?
This is my daughter.
How old is she?